Hello students, I am Umesh Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know in the previous video I have already discussed about the problem on linear equation, but today I will solve most interesting topic of linear equation, questions which based on the real life, in which question is related to the age, fractions and age. So first of all, I will solve question which is related to the age. First question is first question is question number 1. Riya's mother is 7 times older than 7 times older than him. 4 years from now, 4 years from now, she will be 4 times. She will be 4 times. She will 4 times as old as Riyaz. As old as Riyaz. Will then be what are their present ages? What are their present ages? In this question, first of all, I will read this question. After reading this question, I will make a linear equation. After making linear equation, I will solve and find the value of variables, which is the present age of Riyaz and his mother. So, solution of question. In this question, given that Riyaz's mother is 7 times older than him, it means Riyaz's mother is 7 times older than him. It means first of all, I will consider age of Riyaz be x. Let age of Riyaz be x here. Age of Riyaz be x here. Now Riyaz's mother is 7 times older than him. 7 times means 7 multiplied by x. Therefore, Riyaz's mother equal 7x year, because 7 times mother is 7 times older than Riyaz, so it will be 7x year. Now after this, 4 years from now, she will 4 times as old as Riyaz. 4 years from now, so first of all I will find age of Riyaz and mother's 4 years from now. Now, after 4 years, age of Riyaz equal x plus 4 years, and after 4 years Riyaz mother equal after 4 years age of Riyaz mother equal 7x plus 4 years. Now, after this question, she is 4 times as old as Riyaz. Mother is 4 times older as Riyaz after 4 years. So, according to the question, this is equal to the 4 times this after 4 years. Therefore, it will be 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4 equal 4x plus 4, because Riyaz mother is after 4 years 4 times older than Riyaz. So this is in the form of linear equation. So I will solve by the linear equation. 7x plus 4 equal 4 multiplied by x will be 4x, and 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. Now, this is the form of linear equation. So, first of all, I collect variable on one side and constant in other side. Then it will be, I will transpose 4x from right hand side to left hand side. Then it will be 7x minus 4x equal. When transpose plus 4x from right hand side to left hand side, then it will be minus 4x equal 16. Transpose plus 4 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be minus 4. Now subtract 4x from 7x, we get 3x. It will be 3x equal 12. Therefore, x equal 12 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12 equal 4 years. What is x? Age of Riyaz. Therefore, present age of Riyaz. Present age of Riyaz equal x equal 4 years, and present age of Riyaz mother equal 7x equal 7 to 4 equal 28 years. So age of Riyaz equal x equal 4 years, and present age of Riyaz mother equals 7x equal 7 to 4 equal 28 years. Now, next question of this exercise. question is next question number 2. Vivek is twice as old as his cousin. Vivek is twice as old as his cousin Ruchi. Is now if Vivek is also 3 years older 3 years older than Ruchi, find their ages. Solution of this question. Vivek is twice as old as his cousin Ruchi. So first of all, we consider age of Ruchi be let present age of Ruchi equal x year. Let present age of Ruchi equal x year. Now Vivek is twice as old as his cousin Ruchi. Therefore, Vivek age is 2 years because age of Ruchi is x year, and Vivek age is twice as Ruchi age. Therefore, present age of Vivek equal 2 into x equal 2x years. Vivek age is equal 2x years. Now, if Vivek is also 3 years older than Ruchi, now according to the question, Vivek year, it means 2x equal x plus 3 because Vivek is 3 years older than Ruchi. Therefore, according to the question, 2x equal x plus 3. 2x equal x plus 3 because Vivek is 3 years older than Ruchi. Therefore, 2x equal x plus 3. Now this is form of linear equation. So first of all, I will collect variable in one side and constant in other side. Then it will be 2x and transpose plus x from right hand side to left hand side. Then it will be minus x. It will be 2x minus x equal 3. When you subtract x from 2x, we get x. Therefore, it will be x equal 3. What is x? Present age of Ruchi. Therefore, present age of Ruchi. Therefore, therefore present age of Ruchi equal AX equal 3 years, and present age of Vivek and present age of Vivek equal 2x year, 2x years equal 2 into 3 equal 6 years. Now next question of this exercise. Next question of this exercise is question number 2. Question number 3. What is question number 3? The sum of the ages of Prakash and his brother. The sum of the ages of Prakash and his brother is 15, and the difference between their ages is 3. Find their ages. Find their ages. In the given question, you see that difference between ages of Prakash and his brother is 3. So, solution of this question: let age of Prakash and his brother is AX and AX plus 3, because difference between their ages is 3. So suppose that age of Prakash and his brother is AX and AX plus 3. Here the sum of the age of Prakash and his brother is 15. Therefore, according to the question, x plus 3 equal 15, because sum of their age is 15. Now I will add x plus x will be 2x, that will be 2x plus 3 equal 15. Therefore 2x equal, here is transpose plus 3 from left hand side to right hand side, it will be minus 3, that will be 15 minus 3, then it will be 2x equal 12. Therefore x equal 12 by 2 equal 6. Therefore age of Prakash equal x equal 6 years. and brother's age equal x plus 3 equals 6 plus 3 equal 9 years. I suppose that all this question is clear to you, and be positive and do all the type of question. Goodbye.